there's a trading prop firm out there where you don't have to go through an eval, audition phase, combine, whatever it may be. You can strictly pay to get funded. You go straight into a funded account. Wild to think, but I honestly think that if this works out and things go well, this could be the next step in the basically the evolutional process of prop firms. This could be it if it works out. Now, let me say this. They are more expensive, right? However, if you're a good trader and you can pay this, then the ROI is there for you because you can literally pay and earn a payday in basically 5 days after you start your account. So we're going to get into all the rules, the payments, whatever, everything entailed around surrounding this FastTrack trading prop firm, and we'll get into it. But the company, the prop firm is called FastTrack Trading. We're going to get into it right now. I'm going to share my screen and go through the website. Use a little bit of work, but we're going to disregard that for right now. But going into FastTrack Trading, pay once, get funded pretty much immediately, right? And so scrolling into this, they have 4 different account sizes, right? And they are a little bit more pricier, right, than most prop firms. But again, if you think about it, you know, you pay once, you earn a payday in like 5 days. So the ROI is there if you think about it, but ultimately it's on you, right? But they have a Rally, Daytona, Grand Prix, and Formula One, all fitting for FastTrack Trading, right? Name is self-explanatory. But the Rally starts at $179 and goes all the way up to $799 for the $300,000 account size, and the Rally is $25,000. Now, what I do like about this is essentially there's no trailing drawdown, right? There's no like their drawdown is all based off end of day results, right? So it's not, if you're making profit, that drawdown is not trailing with you. They allow 20 accounts. You have free level 2 market data. And your minimum trading days is 5 days, and you can earn a payout, right? Now, there is a consistency rule. We'll go over that in a little bit through all as we work through the rules and all that. But guys, you can literally pay for a funded account right now and get funded. Now, I have spoken with the CEO and then some other people inside their Discord, and the CEO honestly gave, you know, paperwork with their IRS information, bank verification letter, all their credentials, verifying that they're legit. The CEO sounds like a great guy, and honestly, people are getting payouts. And so first impressions on this is that right now in this current moment, it's working, right? In this moment, it's working. People are signing up. People are getting paid. At the end of the day, that's all that traders want. They want to sign up and get paid. And that's happening. People are literally paying for a funded account like that and getting paid. So with that said, I think, again, this is the next step in the prop firm space if this continues to work out. Now, their pricing model is pricier, but, you know, prop firms got to make money, right? Not traders got to make money. Prop firms got to make money. Traders fail. That's where prop firms make money, right? Okay, so anyways, getting into the payouts here, right? So they have like different phases for payouts, and you kind of move along the phase as you get a payout. But going into it, they have a phase 1 5-day payout. So upon purchasing a new account, traders can receive a payout in as little as 5 days by achieving a daily profit of 20% of their profit buffer. For example, if a trader has opted for a Rally account, right, and going back to the Rally, the $25,000 account, right, their buffer zone is 5% or $1,250. To qualify for a 5-day payout, they need to earn at least $250 per day. After the 5 days of consecutively profitable trading, traders will be able to withdraw up to $2,000 per account. So if you got 20 accounts, you can withdraw at $2,000 per account, right? And so they have the account max withdrawals here for the 5-day payout, right? And all of this changes later. But for the first payout in the first 5 days, right? First 5-day payout, you can withdraw up to $1,000 in the Rally, $1,250 in the Daytona, $1,500 in the Grand Prix, and $2,000 in the Formula One, right? So moving on. Then you go to the phase 2. Once you get for your first payout with the 5-day payout system, then you go to a phase 2 where you go to standard biweekly payouts. right? So if a trader takes a payout after 5 days, they will be eligible for payouts every 10 trading days after that. A trading day can be defined as completing at least one trade in a 24-hour period. And check this out, no minimum daily profit thresholds are required, but the 20% consistency rule still applies. So account max withdrawals for a 10-day period, 10-day payout, then it goes to 1,500, 2,000 Daytona, Grand Prix 3,000, and then Formula One 4,000, right? So you can see that's a big difference from here to here, right? And so you get the idea, right? So they have a whole payment system. You go phase one. Once you get a payment from phase one, then you're eligible for the 10-day pay period, right? And so going into the buffer zones here, when an account is created, they come with a standard 5% buffer zone, right? It's basically intended to stop traders out from losing the whole account, basically. So in other words, when the account is open, they allow a 5% max loss before the account is disabled. And so for the rally account, which again is $25,000, you have essentially your max drawdown is $2,300, or well, $23,750, right? And so they have no, like, what is it called? The daily loss limit, right? They don't have that. You're allowed your full buffer zone during that trading day, which I think is pretty cool, right? But you can go through all this and see the different buffer zones for each one, right? And minimum account withdrawal amount is $250, right? So if you request a withdrawal, the minimum you can do is $250. They do ACH, whatever. They even do crypto. That's pretty wild, right? So if you do ACH, wire, or you can do crypto, you want to get paid out in crypto, right? Withdrawals, now this is big for me because we know that some companies take forever to process withdrawals, whatever it may be, right? The FastTrack trading processes withdrawals within 48 hours from when they are requested, but method of processing will dictate how fast funds reach your account. ACH, 5 to 7 business days. Wire, 2 to 3 business days. Crypto, 1 to 2 business days. All right. So you guys get the idea, right? Pretty basic payout structure. Honestly, pretty easy, right? Now going into the consistency rule, because I know a lot of you were thinking, well, what's the consistency rule, right? So this is what they have to say. Consistency is found in the stone of FastTrack Trading's mission, and our goal is to create an environment that garners profitable trading and regular payout for our users. Generally speaking, as there is no evaluation phase of our programs, a trader cannot exceed more than 20% of their total profits in a single trading session. So, more details regarding consistency rules for payouts can be found in the payouts withdrawal section. So we already kind of went over that, but they do have a consistency rule. But overall, guys, if this works, man, let me tell you, if this works, and they're here to stay, not only is this going to force other prop firms to continue to evolve, but you might see other prop firms start going to this model. Now, is it going to raise prices? Probably, because there's no evaluation phase where people have to continue to reset, right? Like at the end of the day, traders got to make money, but also prop firms got to make money to help traders make money, right? The give and take. So if this works and it sticks around, guys, this is the next step in the prop firm space. I fully believe that. I'm going to put a link down in the description for you guys to check it out. It'll be FastTrack Trading. Just click the link down in the description there and you can go check it out for yourself. But fam, I'm really excited to see where this goes. Honestly, I'm giving it a shot. I'm going to do the rally account just to dip my toe in the water, so to speak, and just try it out and see how it works, and see if I can get a payoff through them. But anyways, fam, if you want to skip evals, combines, auditions, here you go. This is the way to do it. Guys, I'm live every single flipping day trading. If you guys want to tune into a live trading session, subscribe, be sure to like the video, and guys, I will see you in the next one. Cheers.